Hey kids, we're working on Johnny today. Yeah, see, nice lovely day. It's beautiful. So, original cloth wrap wire. Taped together once, but man, it just didn't hold. New one, plastic, just a hair longer. But I'm going to cut it down and we're doing heater vent. Driver's side. Yeah. Passenger side is fine. It came with enough to take it off of this one to make it, but they also sent a short one because it's only a short right out of the thing into the top, right out of the heater box into the one vent. But that one over there, it's been barely working, so we're gonna go ahead and get on it. Hey, it beats sitting in the house, man, staring out the window or just looking at the telephone, man. Watching movies. Well, quick and easy. It's in. Quick and easy. I didn't even bother cutting it, man. We'll just let it nice and curve. It's up in there. No wires crossed and wrapped around it like it was. The one that I took out that one had wires wrapped around it, and it was kind of iffy. That's why it's all stretched out on each end so that I could get it out without damaging wiring. Now the wiring's nowhere near it. There we go.